Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday already. OMG, this week is going really quick. Little treat for you as usual. Every Friday there is a free printable here, so keep watching and enjoy. Okay guys, welcome back to the desk. Very excited for this today's Friday freebie. So this freebie I have designed goes very well with the Memories Lane. It's exactly the same print, so I have created a few embellishments. But before we go that and show you that, I just want to show you what we made together on Wednesday video. I showcased how to create this infinity fold cards slash mini accordion journal. Can be anything. You can write a message, it can be anything that you want it to be. Super fun, super cool. You can even put some pockets. I've used some of Team Hall's paper dolls because I've got loads of them. I need to use them up, but I will put the link of this video down below in case you missed it. And in the same kit is part of my mini kit, which I'll show you in just a second. The fourth page is actually a milk carton box. So what you need to do, you just need to fussy cut it, glue the tab on the side, put the one on the bottoms together, and you get this super cute box. But I love this kit. It's part of my mini, so it's 4 pages for the price of £1.50. Super cheap, super affordable. Before I show you the kit, before I show you the freebie, if I can speak, I'll show you the kit now. Okay, so the kit that we're going to use today is part of my mini kits collection. So it's 4 pages, £1.50, super cheap, super affordable. It's called Memories Lane, because what I wanted to do with this kit is create like a sort of like a dream memory, a collection on ephemera from the past. So it looks like a journey, more like a dreamy, hence why I put the what do you call this actually, with the little frames? I don't really know the name. You've got some flowers, you've got some ephemera. So that's the main page, the main focus. Then the second page, you get 2 envelopes. They are perfect if you do a gift card or even like greetings card or mini tags. The third page, ta-da! Yes, tags, because we all like tags. And they're already done for you. See, focus on me, don't focus on... Yep. It's got like a scallop end. The hole is already there, so you just need to punch it. And the number 4 is a milk carton. I'm going to do this really quickly. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's fabulous. I absolutely love this. So this is what the box looks like. And I just put one little Tim Hall's little girl there and one on the back. So it's super cute. I really like these boxes, and there is a lot of these in my kits, especially in the mini kits. There's a lot of pillow box milk carton boxes. They're super easy to put it together. It's literally, guys, you just cut it, fold the score lines, and simple as. So it's, I put a peg, but you can put 2 holes if you want. Just put some ribbon through and it opens like that. Of course, inside is white, but depends what you print it on. So let me just give you the overall measurement. So that box is 2.5 by 2.5 because it's a square. This little bit there is 2. Okay, so it's 2.5 by 2.5 by 2. And as you can see, there is a triangle there that once you fold it on the score line, it's just brings its way up on its own. Honestly, super easy to do. And then if you got like any crafty friends that love vintage style, that's the box for them. You can just put chocolates, you can put a Yankee candle. It's a lot of things that you can put embellishment if you do. Honestly, loads and loads of things. It's a really good size box. Let me go in through this page. On here we got 2 double side pockets, which I'll show you in just a minute what I've done with it. Here we got 2 junk journal side pockets, so that's the tab that you glue on your page. and that is for the pocket. So one is going this way, one is going on the right hand side, and 4 little round embellishments that you can do whatever you fancy with them. You can do some hidden paper clips, you can do some dangling, anything that you want. I love it, and I think it goes with the kits really well. So with these, what you could do, you simply cut this and put into a page and you get 2 pockets. But what you can do, you can cut it in half here and then fold it, and you create like a floating pocket. On here I have put some of my fork stamps that we did a couple of weeks ago. If you are interested how to make those, look how cute they are. I will put the link down below so you can go and have a look. Super cute, super simple to make. Yes, I've just put it in there. That's super cute little ephemera holders. Again, you just need to cut it, glue them. If I get my bone folder, because you get the side tab, you can fit quite a lot of it, because you still get quite a lot of space in there. So I love these little file pockets. And then the back is exactly the same. So if I remove that, so you cut it in half. As I said, I give you 2 options. Use that as a really big side, or chop it in half and use it as a floating pocket. How cute that is. So you still quite fit quite a lot of it, because you get the bulk there and there. So it gives you quite something nice. Okay guys, I'm gonna go quick, like super simple, super quick. When should I load? You got a few options. My freebies get sent automatically every Friday at 9 p.m. to all the members of my newsletter. I'm not here to spam, I haven't got time. So what I suggest, you subscribe now, you get next week and the week after, blah blah blah, every Friday into your email, so you don't have to worry about it. This is also on my website. So if you go to the homepage, www.antoniomakes.com, it's there on the homepage, free of charge. You simply put in your basket, finish the purchase, but of course you're not paying anything, and then it's free. It's there to download straight away. You just simply download it straight away. And also is on my Facebook group. Now on my Facebook group, you see all the archives, all the previous freebies for the last 2 years. They're all in there. So if you click on files, you'll be able to download them all. I suggest you go there and get them all. Why not? Guys, before we go, just want to say a big shout out, and I will put the comment here on the screen, to the lovely Francine. Francine left me a really lovely comment. Says she's thanking me for the freebies and from the free printable, and she's a happy crafting. Well, Francine, and all of you guys, happy crafting to you guys. So guys, if you like this sort of a pocket video, I'll link here somewhere on the screen. You just need to click on it. I've done a few videos on this really nice fold, like paper pockets for junk journals or card making. So if you wish to check these videos out, please feel free to do so. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like my Friday freebies, please consider to give a big thumbs up, because it's a really nice way to say to YouTube that you like what I do, and it really helps me and my channel to grow as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Big hugs. And until next Monday, stay safe and well. Bye.